How to see results from inspection rules. For each report, you as system user as well as the reporter will see warnings from inspection rules via the automatic inspection. All warnings for a report you will see when you click Inspect. From the list of warnings, you or the reporter may jump to the issue of the warning with the blue arrow, and the reporter might directly do the corrections. He may also see the warnings from inspection in the overview when warnings from automatic inspection is selected, or in the graph by a red frame at the symbol and the text of warning when moving the mouse over the symbol. As I mentioned, inspection rules and warnings shall help to check reports regarding completeness of reports. See also the evaluation feature, which shall help to check the plausibility of chosen entries. Warnings coming from evaluation will be included to the warnings from automatic inspection. Both tools do not replace the individual control of reports, so you may have to set individual controller remarks on issues which cannot be checked by these tools, e.g. if the composition of any not pure fraction is plausible.